comfortable AC. It's like this is what 402 does. Awesome. 2 for 1. Get this guy taken off. Wow, finally.
Look at that. Never cool. And look at that. What is this? Air Canada. Look at that. He's landing also. Trains and aircraft today. Very neat. Another angle. Look at that. Never neat. The what does it say? Looks almost like the Porter. Now we're in for a landing. That's a really nice paint job there. That's for sure. Pretty sure I can get one more angle of them there. Yeah, there we go. Look at that. Never cool. And another one there. Just for good luck. There she goes. Okay, good. What was that about? There's the Porter right there. My dad's flown on it before, but I never flown on it myself. Nor have I flown in my life before, and yeah. There's the Porter right there. I wasn't sure what that last one was, but this is the Porter right here. I almost thought that last plane coming in was a Porter, but this is a Porter right here. And yeah. Especially if it says so on the body of the plane. Yeah. Let's get one more shot of the airplanes coming in. A little bit of aviation for y'all. There you have it, side content. One more shot right there. Because there's a clear spot right there also. Yeah. Okay, that's enough filming planes. I need to save the battery. Okay. Okay. There you have it, guys. A little bit of aviation. Hope you guys have enjoyed this aviation video or aircraft video. Be sure to hit the thumbs up, subscribe, turn notifications on, leave comments, and I'll see you guys in my other videos. Have yourself a good rest of your day, and I'll see y'all later.